months of my bike stalling because of the ECU reflashing itself or calibrating itself. Look at that. The stalling issue has resolved itself. But 2 months though, God, that was horrible. But now the engine is running smoother, no more stalling issues, and my bike is at 200, or the engine's at 217 degrees Fahrenheit right now. Watch. Look at that. Man, that's how it was when it was brand new. Man, but seriously, Ducati needs to do something about this engine or ECU calibration issue. All right, so I'm at the shop. I'm just coming here to get some motorcycle cleaner. That's it. Then I'm gonna head on out.